Today we'll be unboxing a pair of wireless headphones from OneOdio, the model Fusion A7. Open it. This one comes in a bag as well, and it does look really nice. I like it. Look at this bag. Have the cables, and OneOdio manual, audio, and nothing else in the box. The cables, and let's see, the charging cable, unfortunately not USB-C. Another two cables, jack to jack, and the jack to big, I forgot the name of this, the big jack, Papa jack and small jack. Oh, I see what they mean by jack lock on the box. This cable, I like it. This is the DJ cable. And now let's see if we have a beauty or not in this nice bag. Okay, oh, kinda looks good. It's coming out. Oh, nice. Anything else? No, the bag is empty, and we'll put it on the side just here. And let's see this. OneOdio nice here. So it looks very nice. I like this color here. Looks soft and nice, and it's foldable, and you can turn them around, but that's where they stop. Yeah, they go up as well, of course. So you can adjust them really well. This seems really soft, but they look interesting and nice. You can see here the lock. Let's check this one. So you put it there and you twist, and then they just sit there, not going anywhere. Not bad. So it looks like we have some holes for microphones, probably. That's the charging port. That's for this one. So we have a big jack here, charging 3.5 medium, and then 3 buttons, and that's everything.